At least 3 people were killed, and another remains missing after heavy rainfall triggered flash flooding in Chattanooga and Hamilton County. Chattanooga received historic rainfall on the 12th of August, prompting flash floods, road closures, and water rescues. The flooding led to the rescue of residents trapped in homes and submerged vehicles on Tuesday, with the area bracing for more rain and flooding on Wednesday.
Got a fighter there, I see.
The National Weather Service recorded 6.42 inches of rain in the region, making it the second wettest day in the city's recorded history, which dates back to 1879.
You know it's bad when fire department's flooded out.
A social media post from the Chattanooga Fire Department showed cars driving through floodwaters on the 12th of August, with flooding so deep that some vehicles were nearly submerged, leaving only their roofs visible above the murky brown water. According to the regional communications officer for the Tennessee Department of Transportation, widespread flooding closed Interstate 24 between I-75 and US 27-inch Hamilton County until about 11:20 p.m. ET.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's pigeons. I'm gonna throw up. Okay, here's what it looks like at my house. There they are out on the road. We're on the corner here. There's my truck. Here's my house.
A video showed cars trapped on I-24, with small whirlpools carrying debris and a vehicle. In the early morning, storm-saturated ground caused a large tree to fall onto a car in the 1100 block of Southmore Road in East Ridge, killing 2 adults and a child. Although waters have receded in most areas, a flood watch from the National Weather Service remains in effect for much of central Tennessee through Wednesday night, with additional rainfall expected. The NWS warned of scattered flash flooding with tropical-like downpours and the potential for thunderstorms, particularly in areas already inundated.